Be sure you understand the supplier's policies in these areas. The manufacturer may set a price floor or a ceiling and attempt to control the market. This means you must sell the product within the specific price range, otherwise known as MAP pricing, minimum advertised price. The refund policy defines whether you will get your money back if your customers return an item. Your supplier will define if and how they provide refunds. If a customer returns their order, oftentimes you're responsible for refunding your customer and keeping their products as your own inventory. This is the cost of doing business because I only had one return in the 2 years that I was in business. While at UMass. Returns. The supplier will have a specific conditions under which they will accept returns. A normal wholesaler return policy will have the ability to return items anytime within 30 days. Wholesaler guarantees. Most supplier will stand behind the manufacturer's product guarantee. You can honor that guarantee or give your customer an additional guarantee as incentive to purchase from you as opposed to their competitor. Goods damaged during shipping. This policy describes the conditions under which the supplier will accept the return of a product that is damaged while in transit. Back orders. Most suppliers do not have a specific policy if you submit an order that is out of stock product. It will be up to you to determine how you want to handle this situation. In the interest of good customer relations, you may want to let the customer choose a different product or get their money back if an item is on back order. Net 30 is a type of trade credit where the payment is due in full in 30 days after the item is purchased.